So, hello everyone, good evening to all. Just confirm me once in the chat box, sir, my voice is audible. Okay, sir, thank you everyone for your comments in the chat box. Today, we all are here to discuss on a very important, on a very special thing. Okay, today we are not going to learn any section. आज हम लोग किसी section पे बात नहीं करेंगे. Today we are not going to learn any provision, any law. Today we all are here to learn that how to learn. That is what is the thing we are going to discuss in this particular session. So I welcome you all on this particular special session on skillful training. Okay, and I wish that in the next 40 to 45 minutes or 50 minutes I am going to share with you something which is very important, which is very relevant for all of you. Okay, sir. So, sir, this session is not based on theoretical approach. This session is based on practical approach only. Okay, so I request, if it is possible for you, share the link with your professional friends, with your professional groups, with others, because today we are going to learn something new in a new way. Okay, so कहीं ना कहीं I think आप सब ने मुझसे कभी कोई सेशन लिया होगा, कभी कोई ट्रेनिंग ली होगी, कभी ना कोई फिजिकल सेशन या फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग ली होगी. ऐसा कोई है who is attending the first time session from me? First time कोई सेशन ले रहा हो? Anyone who is there who is taking the first time session from me? Welcome Anita ji on our platform. So, oh, a lot of participants are there. So I hope that this will be the great learning experience for all of you. Okay, thank you for your response. Yes, on this topic you are taking the first session, sir. We have launched this topic and this is the first topic for me as well when I am taking the session on skillful training. Okay, so we all are new for this particular special area. So I again welcome you all on this Sunday evening. First of all, I appreciate your efforts that you all have joined this particular session on the Sunday evening, because this is very much important. So before moving ahead, I just request each one of you, because I am not going to take your much more time, will conclude my content in next 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, but I request each one of you, please be there for next 50 minutes, because this is going to be very special for all of you. Mode of communication of this session will be Hindi and English both. Okay, Hindi और English दोनों के अंदर communication रहने वाला है. So if you have any doubt, any concern on any point, you can comment in the chat box. We'll convert it into English and Hindi as per your comfort. Okay, so let's start our discussion on this very special topic, that is skillful training. Sir, as we all are here, we all are linked to the taxation practice field. Okay, and when I'm using the word taxation, that includes, when I'm using the word taxation, that includes your GST practice, that includes your income tax practice, that includes your accounting practice. There may be chances that you are in job, or you are in practice, or you are doing your graduation, because this session initially we have planned especially for the commerce graduates. But then after we have received certain requests from the participants that we are tax consultant, or we are willing to start our practice, or we are going to join a job in this particular field, so can you please provide us opportunity to join this particular session? So we have made this session open for all the taxation related professionals, or they wish to become a taxation related professional. Okay, and sir, most important thing, as we all know that our India is growing. Okay, so when India is growing, then the major reason for the growth is business, industry, trade. Or whenever there will be a trade, industry, business, it means there will be a lot of transactions. And when there will be a lot of transactions, that means there will be requirement of accounting. When there will be accounting, then taxation will be there, GST will be there, auditing will be there. So this is a huge area for the practice. और सर हम सभी लोग उस ग्रोथ के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं पार्टिसिपेट होने वाले. So today we are going to discuss कैसे हम हमारी skills को enhance कर सकते हैं, how we can practically gain the knowledge, what are the things which should be there, and which is the requirement of current scenario, that is also a very important thing, because as we all know that the law is going to be changed very frequently. So we should be very much ready that we have sufficient amount of knowledge, we can gain the knowledge, or we can gain the practical knowledge as well. So just once let me know in the chat box, sir, are you ready for our discussion, so that through your excitement I can start the deliberation. I request each one of you, sir, are you ready for the discussion? And I request those who have joined the session initially, I request please be there till the last moment of this particular session. This is going to be a milestone for all of you, because we are going to discuss something very special. A lot of comments are there in the chat box. Thank you all for your comments in the chat box. So let's start our discussion. Sir, current area for practice and job in the taxation field. Sir, I think my first slide should be, what do you mean by skills? But here I am not going to take first the term skills. First I am going to discuss the current area of practice, that what we are doing right now. And then after we'll discuss how we can improvise it through our skills, and then we'll discuss the definition of skills for this particular field. So sir, current area for practice and job, as we all know, I think this particular session may be attended by chartered accountant, maybe by cost accountants, maybe by company secretaries, maybe by GST practitioners, tax consultant, graduates. Okay, so this session is going to be equally helpful for all of us, including me as well. Okay, so sir, current area for practice, ट्रांजेक्शंस है. सो अकाउंटिंग इज द एरिया फॉर द प्रैक्टिस. ओके, मैंने मेरा बीकॉम ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर लिया, एमकॉम ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर लिया, मेरे पास एक ऑप्शन है कि आई कैन लर्न द अकाउंटिंग and I can make the accounting entries in the books of accounts of my client, so I can provide the accounting related services. That is the first area. Okay sir, मैं इस पर्टिकुलर डैशबोर्ड पे कुछ भी नहीं लिख रहा हूं. आपको क्या करना है, if it is possible for you, then just take 4 to 5 papers in your hand. Okay, or if you have a diary, if you are maintaining a diary, in that case just try to put the heading current area कौन कौन से हैं और फ्यूचर के एरियाज क्या होंगे, स्किल्स क्या होंगे, वो सब कुछ आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. ओके, जिससे होगा क्या, यू विल ऑल्सो गेट अ वे. ओके, and when there will be a way, we can easily move and we can easily achieve our target. So first, through this particular today's session, we are going to create a way, a path. Okay, so current area for practice, first is accounting. Accounting हो गई तो definitely there may be chances of taxation, applicability of taxation to taxation related entries, and taxation related entries will also become part of your accounting only. Okay, accounting की बात हो गई. then after I have option, अकाउंटिंग होने के बाद उस डेटा को चेक किया जाएगा. सो देयर विल बी ऑप्शन फॉर ऑडिटिंग, देयर विल बी ऑप्शन फॉर जीएसटी रिटर्न्स, बिकॉज जब मैं ट्रांजैक्शंस मेरी बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स में एंटर कर लूंगा, व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू एंटर द अकाउंटिंग इन माय बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स, देयर विल बी जनरेशन ऑफ रिटर्न्स. ओके, बिकॉज द पर्पस ऑफ ऑल दिस कैलकुलेशन इज ओनली वन. यहां पर सिर्फ एक पर्पस है कि हमको गवर्नमेंट को प्रॉपर रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन देना है. And how we can provide the proper revenue collection for the government. So accounting is the first option. Then after we need to go for the GST return filing, so that government will get the revenue. Then we have income tax return filing, we have auditing. अगर किसी ने कोई कंपनी या एलएलपी इनकॉर्पोरेट किया है तो कंपनी और एलएलपी का इनकॉर्पोरेशन और उसकी कंप्लायंसेस. ओके सर सुनो ना, पहले है ना बेसिक से बात करते हैं. बीकॉम ग्रेजुएट्स, एमकॉम ग्रेजुएट्स, टैक्स कंसल्टेंट, जीएसटी प्रैक्टिशनर्स, मेरे हाथ में क्या है. सो अकाउंटिंग इज इन योर हैंड. अकाउंटिंग ये जो बंदे हैं वो करने वाले हैं. जो जीएसटी की रिटर्न फाइल होंगे, देयर मे बी चांसेस दैट जीएसटी रिटर्न्स कैन बी फाइल्ड बाय टैक्स कंसल्टेंट, जीएसटी प्रैक्टिशनर्स. देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, बिकॉज ऑडिटिंग इज द कोर फील्ड ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. बट जीएसटी रिटर्न्स कैन बी फाइल्ड बाय GST practitioners, income tax return can be filed by tax practitioners, GST practitioners. Okay, corporate compliances can be done by GST practitioners, tax consultant by learning. Okay, so all these things are there in the current area of practice, I can say. इसके अलावा कई सारे रजिस्ट्रेशन है जिसकी मैं सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करवा सकता हूं, जैसे फूड लाइसेंस, जैसे हो सकता है एमएसएमई रजिस्ट्रेशन, जैसे हो सकता है मुझे वेरियस कोई रजिस्ट्रेशंस लेने हो जो मेरे बिजनेस से रिलेट करते हो, तो आई कैन प्रोवाइड दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ सर्विसेज एज वेल। सर क्या आप एग्री है? क्या आर यू एग्री दैट दीज आर द फील्ड्स व्हिच इज देयर इन द करंट एनवायरमेंट? प्लीज कमेंट मी इन द चैट बॉक्स। सर मैं आज आपको शांति से बैठने नहीं दूंगा। आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट सम कमेंट्स इन द चैट बॉक्स, बिकॉज आज मैं कोई यहां लॉ का डेलिब्रेशन देने के लिए आया ही नहीं हूं। I am just here to discuss something important with all of you. Okay. And this is just a part of discussion. Yes. So these are the area which is there. Okay. Those who are completely new in this particular field. So write it down. You have Google. You can go with Google and search that these areas are available right now. Okay. Now, next slide. Future area of the accounting field. सर अगर आप ऑलरेडी अकाउंटिंग में है, अगर आप ऑलरेडी टैक्सेशन फील्ड में है, अगर आप ऑलरेडी कोई टैक्स कंसल्टेंट है, जीएसटी प्रैक्टिशनर है, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ। नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट विच आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू। सर multiple courses are available in the market. They will train you that how to do the accounting, and in that particular course they will share with you the details that how to make the data entry, how to post the entry related to purchase, how to post the entry related to sales, how to upload the bank statement. Sir, for your kind information, that automation is going on, and through that particular automation in coming 1 to 2 years everything will be automated. Then what will be the role of accountant? उस समय अकाउंटेंट क्या करेगा? एंड सर एक छोटी सी बात मैं आपको बता दूं, we all should future ready. Okay, because when we know that there will be a problem in future, so we should be future ready. We should train ourselves to face these type of issue. तो आज मैं आपको कुछ इश्यूज बता रहा हूं, अब डिसाइड आपको करना है कि आपको उसको फेस करना है या फिर आपको उसको फेस नहीं करना है। दिस इज कंप्लीटली योर डिसीजन। ओके सर, जब अकाउंटिंग पूरी ऑटोमेशन बेसिस पे चली जाएगी, आज भी अगर आपको बैंक स्टेटमेंट की एंट्रीज करनी है, मल्टीपल सॉफ्टवेयर्स आर just accepting the PDF generated from the bank net banking, and they will automatically post the entries. Sales की Excel sheet generate होती है from website, you can directly upload it in the accounting software, your sales done. Your purchase may be done through GSTR 2B. So now what will be the role of accountant? And if you are just going to learn the data entry, then you will be the data operator only. You will not be a professional. Try to understand. You will just do the clerical work. For that purpose, then, sir, what will be the future of accounting? Can you please tell us? Yes, definitely. If you have idea about the adjustments, कई बार क्या होते हैं, हम लोग अकाउंटिंग एंट्रीज करते हैं, ट्रांजेक्शंस की एंट्रीज बुक कर लेते हैं, देन व्हेन विल गो फॉर द ऑडिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, टैक्स कंसल्टेंट, जीएसटी प्रैक्टिशनर, वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट मल्टीपल एडजस्टमेंट सजेस्ट करता है और वो एंट्रीज पास करता है। उस समय क्वेश्चन रेज होता है अकाउंटेंट की क्वालिटी पे, दैट सर यू हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट द अकाउंटिंग, यू हैव merely done the data entry only. So there will be a question mark. Now what we can done, we just need to explore that how we can learn the adjustments which is going to be made in the accounting. We also need to learn that monthly basis पे मुझे adjustment कैसे करने हैं, because when you will learn the techniques how you can go for monthly basis adjustment, then only you can provide the perfect financial statement to your client, and it will create an impression. वरना मार्केट में क्या होता है, सर he is just accountant, she is just accountant, we just need to pay a salary of 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, इससे ऊपर जा ही नहीं सकते हैं. Reason being, we have restricted ourselves to learn something new. We have restricted ourselves to learn only the data entry. That is what is the issue. So first, from the accounting perspective, I just wish to suggest everyone that, sir, try to learn the adjustment entries. Try to finalize that how the ratio is going to be calculated. आपको पता है कई बार ऑडिट या स्क्रूटनी आती है. आई थिंक यू ऑल नो दिस पर्टिकुलर नेम, ऑडिट एंड स्क्रूटनी. जब आप लोग रिटर्न फाइल कर लोगे, जब आप लोग अकाउंटिंग कर लोगे, उसके बाद में डिपार्टमेंट कई बार उस केस को सेलेक्ट करता है और डिपार्टमेंट रेशियो से ये जान लेता है कि यहां पर कुछ फेक ट्रांजेक्शन से कुछ गड़बड़ है. But as an accountant, if you have idea about the adjustments, If you have idea about the various adjustment in the financial statement, अगर आपको आइडिया है बैलेंस शीट को कैसे पढ़ते हैं, अगर आपको आइडिया है फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट को कैसे रीड आउट करते हैं, कैसे उसका एनालिसिस करते हैं, देन ओनली यू विल बी द गुड अकाउंटेंट। सर डॉक्टर वही अच्छा होता है जिसको उसके फील्ड के बारे में पूरा आइडिया होता है, न कि वो डॉक्टर जो सिर्फ ऑनलाइन देख करके मेडिसिन प्रेस्क्राइब करता है। So as an accountant, we are also the financial doctors. So we should be very much specific. Don't treat that we are just accountant. Why we need to learn a lot of things? Sir, for your employer, for your practice, you are just accountant. But for you, you are a complete brain. And you can develop your brain very easily by learning the accounting adjustment. This is the first field. सेकंड सर, मैनी टैक्स कंसल्टेंट जीएसटी प्रैक्टिशनर्स। सर आज इस सेशन के थ्रू मैं सबको कुछ ना कुछ बात कहने वाला, और हो सकता है मेरी कोई बात आपको हर्ट भी कर जाए, बट दीज आर द रियल डेटा विच आई हैव एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू। ओके सर, एज अ जीएसटी प्रैक्टिशनर, एज अ जीएसटी कंसल्टेंट, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग कि सर रिटर्न फाइल करना है जीएसटी का, क्लाइंट मेरे को डेटा प्रोवाइड करवा देता है, क्लाइंट के अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर से डेटा जनरेट हो जाता है, आई जस्ट नीड टू अपलोड इट ऑन द जीएसटी एंड कॉमन पोर्टल, मेरा डेटा फाइल हो जाएगा। मुझे नहीं पता कौन से ट्रांजैक्शन पे आरसीएम लगता है, मुझे नहीं पता वैल्यूएशन क्या होता है, मुझे नहीं पता कि प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई सही है या फिर नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता कि अकाउंटिंग परफेक्ट हुई है या फिर नहीं हुई है। आई जस्ट want one thing, that my client will send the data with me and I will upload it on GST and common portal. Sir, do you think that you are doing professionally or you are merely doing the clerical work? एक्सेल जनरेट हुई, आपने उसको पोर्टल पे अपलोड कर दिया, क्लाइंट ने आपको फीस पेमेंट कर दिया, हो गया। For your kind information, if you are wishing to start your profession in this particular field, government is coming with automation in the GST return filing. और अगर आपने सिर्फ क्लरिकल वर्क किया है, then you will not survive in the future market. So sir, what we need to do with the GST return filing? मैं ये नहीं बोलता we should not go for the GST return filing, we should go for GST return filing but with law related aspect. जब client मुझे डेटा भेज रहा है, I just need to check that valuation is perfect, I just need to check that the accounting entries which has been made by my client is perfect or not, all the adjustment has been done or not, all the expenditure, whether RCM has been paid or not, whether input tax credit has been claimed perfectly or not. हो सकता है आप में से 20 to 30% पार्टिसिपेंट्स ऐसे होंगे जिनको इन टर्म्स का कोई आइडिया नहीं है, बट सर आई सजेस्ट यू शुड बी देयर। रीजन बीइंग, पता तो करना पड़ेगा ना, आइडिया तो लेना पड़ेगा। इफ यू विश टू गो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड देन यू नीड टू लर्न ऑल दीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स। और जब ये सारी की सारी चीजें मुझे सीखनी है, सो कल क्यों सीखूं, आज से ही तैयार हो जाऊं। सो पहला एरिया अकाउंटिंग पर्सपेक्टिव, और अगर आपको ये सारी सारी बातें पता होगी तो यू विल नॉट मेयरली फोकस ऑन योर रिटर्न फाइलिंग, यू विल नॉट मेयरली फोकस ऑन द अकाउंटिंग डेटा एंट्री, you will focus on perfect accounting, you will focus on the perfect consultancy oriented GST return filing. I am always saying not go for GST return filing only, go for consultancy oriented GST return filing, that is the very important thing. Sir, third one, I think you all are waiting for that, income tax return. क्लाइंट डेटा देता है, हम उसका रिटर्न प्रिपेयर करते हैं, इनकम टैक्स उसको बता देते हैं, क्लाइंट बोलता है सर आई डोंट विश टू पे दिस अमाउंट, कैन यू प्लीज रिड्यूस द टैक्सेशन अमाउंट, हम कोई डिडक्शन डाल देते हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न अकॉर्डिंगली। क्लाइंट बोलता है दिस इज द फीस ऑफ 500 रुपीज एंड फाइल द रिटर्न। डू यू थिंक दैट द रिटर्न फाइलिंग फीस शुड बी 500 only? Do you think that have you done any professional work while filing the return? Many softwares are available in the market, they are filing the return just by putting the data in 49 rupees, 59 rupees, 60 rupees, 500 rupees, 200 rupees. Then what you have done additional, जब आप रिटर्न फाइल कर रहे हैं, if you have used the law related term, if you have used the provisions, if you have used the proper adjustment, if you have checked the accounting which has been made by the client or the various entries which is there and filed the perfect return, then the same will be treated as perfect return, and that should be the professional work that we need to go. क्लाइंट हमारे पास भी आता है, बोलता है सर वो 500 रुपए में रिटर्न फाइल कर रहा है, आप भरोगे क्या? but we just need to decide that my fees should not be 500 rupees because I am filing the return based on consultancy, not merely I am providing you the clerical services. Automatically fees will high. Okay, so that is the point we need to keep in our mind. Three core areas: one is accounting, another is GST, and third one is taxation. And corporate compliances क्या होता है? I just wish to explain in next 1 minute because I know many people are there, they have no idea about corporate compliances. सर हमारे यहाँ पे एक स्पेशल एंटिटी होती है, कंपनी लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप, उनको जो है अपना डेटा एमसीए पोर्टल पर सबमिट करना पड़ता है। एंड जितनी कंपनीज है उसके रेशियो में जो फाइलिंग करने वाले प्रोफेशनल्स है दे आर वेरी लेस। अगेन प्रोफेशनल्स आर लेस, बट क्लेरिकल वर्क करने वाले खूब सारे अवेलेबल है। So this is also a core area we should learn if you wish to learn something, if you wish to earn something. सर अभी तक जो हमने डिस्कस किया इन लास्ट 10 to 15 मिनट्स, आर यू एग्री विथ मी? सर आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट्स? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये कुछ सेशन आज आपके माइंड को ओपन करने वाला है? यू आर गोइंग टू गेट समथिंग न्यू? सर आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्क्रॉल माय पीपीटी, दिस सेशन इज स्पेशली फॉर द डिस्कशन ओनली। स्लाइड में स्क्रॉल नहीं कर रहा हूं। यस, रिकॉर्डिंग विल बी प्रोवाइडेड। पीपीटी के लिए आप निश्चिंत रहे, बिकॉज टुडे आई एम हियर जस्ट फॉर डिस्कशन। मैंने क्या किया है, सिर्फ एक पॉइंटर डाला है, फ्यूचर एरिया फॉर द अकाउंटिंग, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विथ यू बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट दैट दिस शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज अ लेक्चर, दिस शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज अ discussion, because we all are here to discuss something which is going to be happen in future and we are going to ready right now for the future. अभी तो सर मैंने फॉरेन अकाउंटिंग की बात ही नहीं की, which is a core area आज के ग्रेजुएट्स के लिए, दिस इज अ कोर एरिया। अभी तो मैंने फॉरेन टैक्स रिटर्न प्रिपरेशन की बात ही नहीं की, अभी तो मैं सिर्फ डोमेस्टिक की बात कर रहा हूं, दैट वी हैव एम्पल अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द डोमेस्टिक एरिया एंड वी शुड बी रेडी फॉर दैट। But just point is that we should invest something for our knowledge. Yes, this is the most important issue, that we are not ready to upgrade our knowledge. Okay, always what we are doing, we'll just go to YouTube and try to search the free courses, try to search the free manuals which is available on YouTube. I request each one of you, if you are earning yearly 5 lakh rupees, 7 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, try to expense 5 to 10,000 rupees for your knowledge. Okay, I'm not saying that you should buy the book authored by me. Market mein a lot of authors are there, you can buy book of any author and try to start learning through the books, because that will give you the things. अभी हमारा क्या हो गया है, सब कुछ हमको डिजिटल चाहिए, वर्चुअल मोड में चाहिए, बुक्स भी हमको ई बुक पढ़नी है। I suggest go for physical books. Multiple practical oriented books are available in the market. Go for that. Sir, next slide. Theoretical versus practical knowledge. This is the very important point and very special point. Sir, I have done my BCom, I have done my MCom, I have done my LLB, I have done my chartered accountancy, I have done my cost accountancy. The point is that you have degrees, whether you have the practical knowledge, and what is the important, theoretical or practical? So some people are saying that theoretical knowledge is important, some people are saying that practical knowledge is important. What do you suggest, practical or theoretical? Can you please comment me in the chat box? What type of knowledge is required, practical or theoretical? Yes, exactly, both type of knowledge is required, because if I have a lot of practical knowledge but मेरे पास में अगर डिग्री नहीं है, मेरे पास में अगर डिग्री नहीं है, आई हैव नो थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज, व्हाट विल हैपन? यार वो सचिन है, नॉर्मल अकाउंटेंट है, अकाउंटिंग करता है, एंड इफ आई आर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, यार सचिन इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, सचिन इज अ ग्रेजुएट, सचिन इज अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट, और सपोज मेरे पास सिर्फ डिग्री है, आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बट आई हैव नो नॉलेज। आपने कभी कॉल कर दिया, सर ये जीएसटी के रिटर्न में कुछ दिक्कत आ गई है, कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट? भाई मुझे खुद को नॉलेज नहीं है, हाउ आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट? So at that time also there will be a reputation loss कि यार he is just a degree धारी chartered accountant, he has no knowledge. Okay, that is what is the concept will be there. So theoretical and practical, both the knowledge is required. If you have done your graduation, BCom, MCom, LLB, that is sufficient. But now you need to go with practical knowledge. Now you need to gain that how to file the return, how to analyze the balance sheet. Many of the professionals are there in the industry. I can say you that 75% of the professionals have no idea how to read out the balance sheet, how to read out the financial statement, how to go for the analysis. So that we need to learn. अदरवाइज हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करें कि यार मेरी सैलरी हाई हो जानी चाहिए या आई शुड रिसीव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल फीस. हाउ? आई हैव नो नॉलेज. So we should work on practical versus theoretical. Both knowledge are required. Now, sir, the most important term, that is, what do you mean by this skillful practice, or what do you mean by skill? That is the most important thing which we need to discuss on. Because the point is that जब हम इस ट्रेनिंग का नाम रख रहे थे ना skillful, the purpose is also there. The purpose is also one. दैट सर केवल आपको बुकिश नॉलेज नहीं देना है, केवल आपको थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज नहीं देना है. वी विश कि आपकी स्किल्स भी डेवलप हो. हम कुछ ऐसा करें जिससे आप अपनी स्किल्स को डेवलप कर पाए, जिससे जब आप किसी के सामने जाओ तो यू विल बी प्रेजेंटेबल. एंड सर आपको पता है, स्किल डजंट मीन द थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज ओनली. आई हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड ओनली. वन ऑफ द सेगमेंट which is there, that is theoretical knowledge in case of skills. Skills is a very wider term. First, you should have the theoretical knowledge. Second, you should have the practical knowledge. And skill, ये जो स्किल है वो किसी भी सेगमेंट में हो सकती है. ऐसा नहीं टैक्सेशन के फील्ड में हो. अगर कोई डॉक्टर है उसके पास में स्किल्स होनी चाहिए, अगर कोई इंजीनियर है उसके पास में स्किल्स होनी चाहिए. सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज दैट स्किलफुल प्रैक्टिस, सर, this skill includes your theoretical knowledge, this skill includes your practical knowledge, this skill includes your presentation as well. आपको बहुत अच्छा थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज है, आपको बहुत अच्छा प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज है, बट आप उसको किसी के सामने प्रेजेंट ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो, देन व्हाट विल बी द यूज ऑफ दैट थ्योरेटिकल और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एबल टू प्रेजेंट द सेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ एनीवन. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट इश्यू. With 75 or 80% of the professionals are suffering from this particular issue. इसलिए होता क्या है सर, एक जो एमबीए होता है ना, जिसने मैनेजमेंट की डिग्री ली है, दैट पर्सन हैज अ वेरी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज रिगार्डिंग द प्रेजेंटेशन, और वो टेक्निकल में 20% ही जानता है, बट उस बंदे के पास प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स है, सो दैट पर्सन कैन सेल एनीथिंग. But as a tax practitioner, as a GST consultant, as a tax practitioner, there is an issue with me that I have technical knowledge, I have practical knowledge, I have theoretical knowledge, but I have no knowledge regarding the presentation. So that is also required. कई बार होता है यार, सब कुछ सीख लिया, खूब सारी बुक्स भी पढ़ ली, बट प्रैक्टिस बूस्ट ही नहीं हो रही है, क्लाइंट को कैप्चर कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूं. अगर मैं किसी एम्प्लॉयमेंट में हूं तो मेरे एम्प्लॉयर को बता ही नहीं पा रहा हूं कि मेरे को प्रमोशन चाहिए और यू शुड गो फॉर माय प्रमोशन. Reason being, you have no presentation skills. So skillful practice means when you are going for a practice or a job, it should include your theoretical knowledge, it should include your practical knowledge, and it should include your presentation skills, so that this will become the combo, and the best combo which will be there in the market. Why this is important? सर, कोई भी चीज करनी है उसकी मुझे इंपॉर्टेंस तो पता होनी चाहिए ना. डॉक्टर ने बोला सर यू नीड टू टेक दिस मेडिसिन. व्हाई? आई जस्ट नीड टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दैट मेडिसिन, व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मेडिसिन. दैट आई फर्स्ट नीड टू नो, देन ओनली आई विल गोइंग टू टेक दिस पर्टिकुलर मेडिसिन. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, मैं सोचूंगा कुछ नहीं कर रही है, छोड़ दो. सो स्किलफुल ट्रेनिंग का क्या मतलब है और स्किलफुल प्रैक्टिस क्यों रिक्वायर्ड है, उसको भी हम लोग एक मिनट में समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. सर मानो ना आपको थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज है और आपको रिटर्न फाइल करना आता है, आपको अकाउंटिंग करनी आती है. अब जब आप अकाउंटिंग कर रहे हो बट यू हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट द एडजस्टमेंट्स, तो उस केस में होगा क्या, दैट एडजस्टमेंट shall be done by the chartered accountant or by the person at the year end. There will be a question on your reputation, there will be a question on your knowledge. अब जब मैं ये बात जब मैं किसी के सामने रखता हूं ना, तो मेरे पास में काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट आता है, सर माय स्कोप इज लिमिटेड, व्हाई आई नीड टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। तो जब आपने अपने आप को रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर लिया है, देन यू नीड नॉट टू लर्न एनीथिंग। चल रहा है वैसे चलने दो, but if you wish to grow yourself, then yes, definitely you should learn the things. Okay, so skillful practice is very important. Reason being, first, to become a presentable, to become a knowledgeful person. कई बार क्या होता है, हमको 80% चीजें आती है सर, वो अकाउंटिंग एंट्री करना, वो डेटा एंट्री करना, दैट इज 80% वर्क, 20% वर्क इज एडजस्टमेंट, बट यू हैव नो 20% नॉलेज। हैंस कहीं ना कहीं जाके होता क्या है, वो आपका 80% वर्क सिर्फ 40 पे आ जाता है, and this will be treated as the professional loss, you can say. So hence we should be very much skillful in our area, otherwise in the competitive environment we will not be able to survive. Sir, are you getting my point now? Just let me know once that you all are with me na sir, because कहीं ऐसा नहीं हो मैं आगे आगे बढ़ता जा रहा हूं और आप लोग बोल रहे हो ये क्या यार संडे को लाके स्क्रीन के सामने बिठा लिया। You all are getting the points, you all are agree with me na sir, because this is just a discussion, so I require your opinion as well, that plays a very important role, I think. Yes, thank you sir for your response in the chat box. I hope the 40 minutes 45 minutes which you are going to invest with me, that will help you out. Job versus practice, where skills are required. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं सर आई एम इन जॉब इसलिए मुझे स्किल्स चाहिए, बट आई एम इन प्रैक्टिस सो मेरा खुद का बिजनेस है, व्हाई देयर इज रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ स्किल्स। और कुछ लोग बोलते हैं सर मैं तो जॉब में हूं, मेरे को तो वैसे भी 20,000 ही मिलना है, मेरे को तो वैसे भी 25,000 ही मिलना है, व्हाई आई नीड टू लर्न द थिंग्स। ओके, बिकॉज अगर मैं कुछ स्किल्स डेवलप भी कर लूंगा, मेरा सेट, मेरा ओनर, मेरा एम्प्लॉयर इज गोइंग टू पे द सेम अमाउंट टू मी, व्हाई आई नीड टू लर्न द स्किल्स। सर सिर्फ एक लाइन, कई बार कुछ चीजें खुद के लिए करनी होती है, and when we are going to do something for ourselves, then the same will reflect in our performance, and the counterparty is going to accept that improvement as well, and then the return will come. डायरेक्ट रिटर्न नहीं आता है। इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन शेयर मार्केट, क्या होता है कि नेक्स्ट डे आपने अर्निंग कर ली, एक बार कर ली, दो बार कर ली, हमेशा नहीं कर सकते। देयर इज रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ रेगुलर इन्वेस्टमेंट, देन ओनली वी कैन earn the return. The same thing will be applicable in case of skills. If you are in job, if you are filing the returns for your employer, if you are handling the accounting for your employer, but sir skills you should develop for you only, so that when you will perform, your performance will say everything. Okay, अब जब आप डेटा एंट्री, सिर्फ डेटा एंट्री लेके नहीं जाओगे, you will go with all the adjustment oriented points as well. आपको सिर्फ डेटा एंट्री के साथ जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। When you will go for return filing based on skills, you will not merely file the return on based on the data received from your client or data which has been generated by the accounts department in your industry. Now you are going for the analysis. Now you are going to check whether place of supply is perfect, whether time of supply is perfect, whether all the valuation related adjustments has been done. If there is any fright, then the same has been included or excluded in the valuation, whatever will be the principle. तो अब जब आप ये सारी की सारी चीजें करने के लिए जाओगे, तो you will do with skills, and the same will reflect in your job as well as in your practice. प्रैक्टिस में आपके क्लाइंट को शो होगा, जॉब में आपके एम्प्लॉयर का शो होगा, और जैसे ये शो होता है, result will be in promotion. But the point is that skills cannot be earned in a single day. There is requirement of continuous efforts. अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूं कि 3 घंटे मेरा एक कोई कोर्स ज्वाइन करो, मैं आपकी स्किल्स को डेवलप करवा दूंगा, दिस इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल। देयर इज रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस एफर्ट्स, और वो एफर्ट सिर्फ किसी ट्रेनर के डालने से कुछ नहीं होगा। देयर विल बी 80% रोल ऑफ द पार्टिसिपेंट इटसेल्फ। ओके, सो सर we need to develop the skills. मैंने टैक्सेशन स्किल्स के बारे में ऑलरेडी बात कर ली, so you all know what type of tax skills I am talking about. Okay, विदाउट स्किल्स व्हाट विल हैपन? सर हम लोग नहीं सीखते, मुझे नहीं सीखना स्किल्स, व्हाट विल हैपन? मत सीखो, योर प्रैक्टिस विल बी ऑन अ सेम लेवल, your job promotion will be on the same level, because you are not going to update and upgrade your knowledge, but trade and industry is updating, upgrading every day. किसी इंडस्ट्री में जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस आज से 10 साल पहले था, आई थिंक द सेम प्रोसेस इज नॉट देयर राइट नाउ. They have completely changed their manufacturing process. When the industry has changed the manufacturing process, then why we are not changing our practice style? Then why we are not changing our working style? That is what is the question. पहले आपको पता है हम लोग सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ के ऊपर जाते थे, आजकल एलिवेटर्स लग गए. So when we have changed our walking style, so we should change our thinking style. That is also a required thing. पहले हम लोग ट्रेन से ट्रेवल करते थे, आज हम लोग इजीली फ्लाइट से ट्रेवल कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज अ चेंज इन द माइंडसेट. जब इतने सारे चेंजेस आए हैं, सो वी शुड चेंज आवर स्ट्रेटजी, we should change our skills, we should update our knowledge according to the current demand. अब जब मेरा क्लाइंट सारा ऑटोमेशन पे काम कर रहा है, उस टाइम अगर मैं डेटा एंट्री की बात करूंगा, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? And when my client is working on automation, and if I am developing my knowledge to meet out the requirement of that automation, then only I will survive in the market. मैं सर कोई बहुत बड़े लेवल की बात कर ही नहीं रहा हूं. ये सारी की सारी स्किल्स आप सोचेंगे क्या ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ सीईओ सीईओ के लेवल पे जरूरी है क्या? नॉट एट ऑल. These are the skills which is required at the end of BCom graduate, MCom graduate, tax consultant, GST practitioners. Then only we can meet the requirements. I think you all are getting the points. Okay. These are the, मैं क्यों इन चीजों पे जोर दे रहा हूं? Because when I am taking the physical sessions, when I am taking the training oriented sessions, कई लोग बोलते हैं सर मैं तो खाली डेटा एंट्री करता हूं, क्यों मुझे इतनी माथाफोड़ी करनी है? Why I need to go for so much efforts? Try to understand. When business is going on the automation, when AI is everywhere, then how we can say that we'll go for merely data entry? You should go for data entry with consultancy. The biggest amount which is there right now is in consultancy, because sir आपको पता होगा, आपके पास में रहने वाला कोई बंदा भी है ना, बात करता है सर आई विश टू ओपन द स्टार्टअप, मेरे को एक स्टार्टअप ओपन करना है. और जैसे ही वो बंदा स्टार्टअप ओपन करने की बात करता है, आपको पता होना चाहिए देयर इज रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ अ प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, ऑफ अ एलएलपी, ऑफ अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म फॉर स्टार्टअप. And whenever there will be a question on incorporation, there will be a requirement of a tax consultant, GST practitioner, legal consultant. We will be there. जैसे नंबर ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स बढ़े, क्योंकि वो ऐसा नहीं है वो किसी बड़ी बिग फोर फर्म में जाएगा, एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बिग फोर फर्म्स आर प्रोवाइडिंग वेरी प्रूडेंट सर्विसेज. ओके, we just need to make ourselves equivalent to the things. Okay, now sir, how we can develop these skills? This is the biggest question. Sir आपने इतनी सारी रामायण गा दी पूरी की पूरी, you have discussed a lot of things that these are required, these are required. Then the point is that how we can gain these particular type of techniques. Okay, first solution, through continuous learning. There is requirement of continuous learning. There is requirement that you should gain the knowledge, you should update our knowledge, you should go for certain books. That is what is the solution. Okay sir, multiple places पे जाना पड़ेगा. Can you provide us a single solution for all those things? So sir, yes, I am saying that I am going to advertise a special course. Okay, and don't treat it as an advertisement, because this is completely based on costing for the company, and this is not merely a course, this is completely a bundle of knowledge, I can say a bunch of knowledge. Okay, and sir, the course which I am going to share with you, that is not merely a course, this is the first time in the Indian history when we are going to launch a combo course just at cost to the company. So I just want to share with you, there is no purpose to advertise about that course. The purpose is only one, to give you the information about that course, so that you can know more about that course, you can explore, you can decide that yes, what is the right way to gain the skills. Sir, Are you ready to know about that particular course which we are going to launch soon? I just wish to share with you the details in next 5 minutes. But first, I require your permission in the chat box that, sir, are you wish to know about that? Because that is not related to any advertisement. As you all have taken sessions from me, you know very well that I am not believing in the advertisement. I just wish to share the information with all of you about a very special course which we are going on course to company. And sir, that is not merely a course, that is more than that, because that particular project is very near to the heart of my team and entire Batu consultancy. So we are going to launch a very special, sir, screen is visible now. I just wish to take your 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and I am just going to share with you. This will be very much helpful for you, because this is going to be extremely important. We are going to launch a certification course, accounting, income tax, and GST. And this particular course is not merely based on theoretical approach, not merely based on practical approach. We are going to cover the theoretical, practical, and presentation skills. All the three things will be there in this particular course. Okay, I am going to share with you the things step by step. This is a 30 days course which is going to be start from 1st of March. Okay, from 1st of March, evening 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 1 hour class in which we'll cover the accounting, income tax, GST return, practical consultancy, and the presentation skills. With that, kai sare log hote that we are not available from 8:30 to 9:30, so you will get the recording on the same day. Okay, 30 days, 30 classes will be there, evening 8:30 to 9:30, recordings will be provided and the same will be valid. Sir, market mein recording will be available for 7 days. We'll provide you the recording for next 1 year with exclusive query support, because हमको पता है आप या तो अभी जॉब कर रहे हैं, या you are willing to join the job, or you are willing to grow your practices, so there may be financial issues. So we are going to provide the complete support for next 1 year. This particular session is going to be taken by 3 of the chartered accountant, 3 of the expert mind which are going to train you. One, me, I will take care of GST. We have another faculty, CA Ankita Bothra, ma'am will take care of income tax, and Mohit, who is going to take care of your accounting. So we have 3 brilliant minds for the discussion related to the topics on the things. In this particular course, this is a 30 days advanced course which includes your accounting, not merely the data entry. Sir, it's about the data entry. If you have no idea about accounting, we'll first start, what do you mean by accounting? Accounting hota kya hai? Then we'll give you step-by-step knowledge of each and everything from accounting perspective, for income tax perspective. What do you mean by income tax? We'll start from that point. We'll start from that point. What do you mean by GST? GST practical filing, income tax practical filing, TDS, TCS, everything we are going to cover, because this is our first course and our purpose is not to earn a single rupee through this particular course. Our purpose is to give you something very special, very important. Ideal course for commerce graduates and for commerce students, and practical understanding of GST, income tax, accounting, hands-on training. That means we are going to provide you Excel sheets. आप खुद से उसके ऊपर अपनी ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करेंगे, कैसे रिटर्न को प्रिपेयर करना है, हाउ theoretically we can prepare the practical return, that we are going to cover. And sir, this particular course can be attended by the commerce students, graduates, accounting and tax professionals, tax consultants, GST practitioners, working accountants, professional, entrepreneurs, planning consultancy, freshers seeking accounts and taxation job. This is for all. Sir, I just request, आपने 1 hour मेरे साथ spare किया है just for next 5 minutes, because this is something special. Sir, ऐसा नहीं है, आपने अपने बीकॉम एमकॉम ग्रेजुएशन के लिए यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड 50,000 रुपीज, 1 लाख रुपीज एज अ फीस. नाउ वी आर गिविंग यू एवरीथिंग in a practical way with theoretical approach. Key learning, you will learn the strong practical understanding of accounting, income tax, GST, ability to file return, handle statutory compliances, practical exposure to real life cases, and skills to manage your client. Now, learning methodology will be based on practical, real life case studies will be there, step by step concept clarity, return filing, compliance practices, everything will be there. Now, sir, what will be the module in this particular course? So first module, first 10 days will discuss about the accounting fundamentals. अगर आपको accounting आती भी है, आप बोलोगे सर आई एम जस्ट डूइंग द जीएसटी रिटर्न फाइलिंग, आई एम जस्ट फाइलिंग द इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ अकाउंटिंग? प्रिपेयर तो अकाउंटिंग से हुआ है, जब मुझे पता होगा अकाउंटिंग कैसे होती है तभी तो मैं परफेक्ट रिटर्न फाइल कर पाऊंगा। सो जर्नल एंट्रीज, लेजर, ट्रायल बैलेंस, एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज, डेप्रिसिएशन, ट्रेडिंग, P&L, बैलेंस शीट, रीडिंग स्ट्रेटजीज, everything we are going to cover with income tax course. 11 to 18 days, heads of income, exemptions, deductions, ITR applicability, filing, client onboarding and compliance management, everything we are going to cover. From 19th to 25th day, we have GST, registration, practical consultancy, ITC related rules, reconciliation, time of supply, place of supply, notice handling, everything. And sir, law to seek liya, how we can present. So we have 5 special days on skill development and career growth, that how you can go for perfect communication, client acquisition and fees structures, ethical consultancy model, interview preparation if you are going for job, if you wish to attend any seminar, and if you wish to present, how you can present. So we'll guide you about the presentation skills as well. Course schedule will be 1st March to 30th March, evening 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. may be extended. 30 hours we are giving, it may be 35 hours, 36 hours, 40 hours, because this is our first batch and this is India's first batch which is going to be in a combo pack. And sir, with this particular course we are providing you the handwritten books at your physical address. Okay, handwritten books, total 3 modules will be provided at your physical postal address with techniques, and the price is included. And sir, the most important thing, this particular course is 100% guaranteed. If you will not satisfied, will not ask a single question, you can take refund of your whole amount. That type of facility we are providing with this particular course. The great offer, the course price is actually 10,000 rupees, but special offer under first 100 registrations. Sir, आज सुबह हमने इस कोर्स को लॉन्च किया था, we have already got around 20 registrations, and the special offer 4999, I can say 5,000 rupees we are taking, including the cost of physical study material. Now sir, एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन रेज होता है, sir, course will start on 1st March, how we can pay 5,000 rupees right now? There may be some financial issues because we know that you are in initial stage, और कई सारे tax practitioners होंगे जिनके पास already they are financially sound. So we have offer, you can register for this course just at 599 rupees. You just need to scan this QR code, make a payment of 599. You will register, attend our first 5 classes freely. Okay, after attending first 5 classes, you will not satisfied, you just need to write a text message on our number that I am not satisfied, will refund you the 599. That is what is the first condition. Second, suppose you have attended the 5 sessions, after that you wish that I want to join the whole session, but I have not the amount in one single slot. So what you can do, we have made a 3 installment. आपको क्या करना है, on 5th day you just need to deposit 1,500 rupees. We'll dispatch all the study material at your postal address because we know that you will pay the amount. Okay, study material worth rupees 2,500 rupees we are providing with this particular course. So on 5th day you just need to deposit 1,500 rupees. On 15th day you have to again deposit 1,500 rupees, and on 21st day you have to deposit 1,400 rupees. In this particular journey, अगर आपको कभी लगता है कि यार I am not satisfied with the course content, तो हम क्या करेंगे, will refund your whole amount. किसी भी स्टेप पे आप ले सकते हैं, because through this particular course we are not going to earn a single rupee. Our purpose is only one, to serve the newly built professionals. Okay, so if you wish to register for this course, you just need to scan the QR code, and 599 you have to deposit as for confirmation of your register. Attend first 5 live classes. After that, on 6th day you have to deposit 1,500 rupees. On 15th day you have to deposit 1,500 rupees, and on 21st day you have to deposit 1,400 rupees as a complete course fees. And yes, this is a guaranteed course, complete query support for next 1 year. So don't wait, register now for this special workshop. If you wish to make the payment by today late night, you can keep this screenshot with you, you can make the payment, but this offer, that is installment offer, is valid for today only. Okay, 599 only registration fees. After paying the amount, you just need to scan this QR code and fill the Google form. That is also a requirement. Okay, merely payment will not work. you should go for registration on this QR code. So after making the payment, I request each one of you, just go on this screenshot and fill the Google form for next 2 to 3 minutes. This screenshot is here. Just try to invest for your knowledge, and this is my guarantee to you, this is going to be something special for all of you. Because again, there is no purpose to earn money through this course. The purpose is only one, to serve the growing professionals. Okay, so if you have any query, any concern, any doubt, you can put it in the chat box. This is 100% guaranteed course. Sir, it is on every day 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Okay, you will get the recordings as well. On Sunday we'll plan. Agar on Sunday we have no sessions, then automatically the same will be extended. Okay, Monday to Saturday if we have session, then Sunday may be off. Yes, sir. With this course, we are going to provide you 3 sets of study material. One is based on accounting, another is based on income tax, and third one is based on GST. Sir, link form. This is the link form. You just need to click an image of the link form. Although I will do one thing, I will share with you the. Just wait for a single second. So this is the screenshot to make the payment, and this is the screenshot to fill the Google form. Although we'll share the complete PDF file with you in the relevant WhatsApp group, so you may go and click on the form, so that form will automatically open. So I request each one of you, those who are interested to register, just scan this QR code. This is completely a guaranteed course from our side. If you will not satisfied, we'll refund the amount, because there is no purpose to earn a single rupee. The purpose is only one, to grow the growing professionals. Thank you once again for joining the session. I request each one of you at the end of this particular session on today, that how it was. Have you gained something insightful? Whether you are attending this course or not an issue. Through this particular course, have you gained something very important, very special regarding the skillful training? Just let me know once. How it was, sir? I require your comment. How it was? Yes, it is a 30 days course. Okay, it will be in English. I request each one of you. QR code will also share in the group, but if it is possible, then just try to scan the QR code, because 599, we are not taking any excess amount from all of you. We are just taking a registration fees, so that we can prepare for the study material and we can provide you the study material on time. That is what is the purpose. That is what is the only one purpose that we have. And also, हम इस कोर्स को फ्री भी कर सकते थे. What we have done, we can make this course free as well. But free में क्या होता है? The participants will not serious. That is what is the charges. That is what is the purpose, that we are merely charging the fees which is cost to the company. So thank you once again for joining, everyone. Thank you for spending your time with us. Yes, we'll discuss the sector-wide discussion as well. Sir, after making the payment, what you need to do, you can do one thing. You can share a screenshot on this particular number. My team member will share with you the form as well. You can do this thing. Otherwise, just try to scan this QR code for payment and this QR code for the Google form after making the payment. That is what is the option which is available. And I also request those who are thinking that whether we need to join this course or we should not join this course, I just suggest one thing. Enroll for this course. After joining this course, not satisfied, take the refund, not the issue. Because हमको सेल करना ही नहीं चाहते. We just wish कि आप वो पहले 5 दिन अटेंड करो and you will get something insightful. That yes, these are the things also there in the market. We should learn. These are the accounting skills which are also there and we should learn. That type of learning module we wish to create. Okay, and this is our first trial session, hence this particular course is available at this price, to be very frank. Okay, because we are also into development phase, and first opportunity always very important and very special. So don't wait, register now and meet us live in this particular course, because we have expert faculty, CA Ankita Bothra ma'am, we have for income tax, we have CA Mohit Lunkar for the accounting related things, and I will also be there for GST. Okay, so I request each one of you, you may make the payment by today evening. This QR code is here. You can take a screenshot of the QR code and you can take the screenshot of this Google form. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. And enjoy your Sunday evening. We'll meet you soon in another seminar, another webinar, another workshop. And yes, if you have any query, any concern related to GST, income tax, TDS, and accounting, feel free to connect with us on info@batoconsultancy.in. Thank you once again. Bye-bye. Take care. Yes, after this course, certification will be provided. After this course, certification will be provided by Batuk Consultancy. Course duration will be 30 hours, may be extended to 35 hours and 40 hours.